Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Butternut.ai. So Butternut is a tool that lets you build your website with AI. All you have to do is just provide a simple prompt, provide the name of your business as well as what is your business about, and that is all you need to do. The AI is going to create your website with this description in about 20 seconds. So you do not have to code, you do not have to manually add anything. But obviously after the AI create your website, if you need to customize it further, you can also do that. And the best part is the AI is also going to add various content as well as images to your website. The websites that you are going to get from Butternut are going to be SEO optimized and they are also going to be friendly for mobile, computer, all of different devices. So Butternut is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $200, but at AppSumo you're getting the lifetime deal at only $59. And keep in mind the pricing is going to increase on October the 7th, so it is going to increase after 6 days. Currently it is available at only $59, but it is going to increase. So if you want to buy this tool on a lifetime deal, make sure you hurry, and you can check the link in the description below. So now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you can get AI driven design tailored to your business. You can create unlimited AI content as well as images. You can make edits as well as regeneration. Your website is also going to be advanced SEO optimized. It is going to be compatible for different devices. There are some integrations and also all the future integrations, all the future basic integrations are going to be included on this lifetime deal package. So currently there are Google Analytics, Calendly as well as YouTube integration. And then there is going to be no Butternut AI branding on the live websites that you create. There is a CRM where you can manage your users. There is AI agent, free SSL certificate as well as hosting. You can also create custom chatbot trained on your website data, and you can also add unlimited web pages with one-click generation. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy. So the tier 1 is going to cost $59. Here you can publish up to one website, link up to one custom domain. You get 10 GB hosting per site. You can generate 10 blog posts per month. And there are also 200 AI agent queries per month. There is also tier 2. Here you get 2 different additional features such as WhatsApp as well as custom code embedding. There is also tier 3, and the highest tier is this tier 4. So here you can publish up to 25 websites. You can link up to 25 custom domains. You get 100 GB of hosting per site. You can generate unlimited blog posts, unlimited AI agent queries, and obviously there are going to be WhatsApp integration as well as custom code embedding. So now let me show you how Butternut AI is going to work. So after you log into Butternut, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one. And in order to create your website, just click on this button. And now first you have to provide the name of your business as well as describe your business in details. Okay, so here's my website name or the business name, and then I have also provided a description. I have written the description in very detailed manner. So now all I have to do is just click on generate. Okay, so our website has been created, and the best part is literally everything that you need on a website has been added. So on the top of the page, as you can see, all the navigation options are added, all the menus like services, contact us page, gallery page, about us page, and then here is our home page. And if I scroll down, as you can see, so here are some of the features of the brand that I mentioned, the brand that I talked about. So here are all the features, all the content that are totally created by the AI. And then also there are some services. Since my brand was about making anime t-shirts, so it has added some relevant services, which is amazing. And then you can also see why choose anime tea. So here are some more content. So all of the content once again are added by the AI. You can also see the contact us or the get in touch part or section, and then what our happy customers say. So all of the things that you need are added to the website. I don't think there's anything else that you need to add, but obviously everything you see on this page is customizable. So for example, at the end of the page, we have our brand name, Anime Tea. So if I just click on this, now I can edit this tagline. I can upload my logo, so it can appear on the bottom of the page. I can add my website, Twitter, LinkedIn, copyright. So I can add all these text, and then for this navigation bar I can also edit this. So as you can see, here are all the pages. So I can hide any page, I can delete any page. So I have all these options. And then for social media, I can also add the social media links. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, I can show all of these social media links on my website, and all I have to do is just provide them on these boxes. So now if I go back to the top, so this is another section, discover the impact of anonymity. So it is also very customizable. I can add more item on here. So just see how easy it is. So another point or another item has been added. Now I can regenerate it. I can regenerate it with comments. I can also edit this. I can also edit the stats as well as the description. And I can also add section. If I want, I can add more sections. And the best part is, even for section, it has AI. So all I have to do is just provide the description about the section that I want to create. And then the AI is going to create that section. So I can try it from here, from on top. And there are also some pre-made sections that are given. So these are all those feature, services, team, about us. So you can also add these sections if you want. And then there are also some visual sections such as images, gallery, portfolio. And then there are some sections for get in touch, analytics and code. And you can also create sections by layout. So these are all the basic layouts. And then you also have the card layout as well as photo layout and collection and sequences layout. So you can just select one and then provide a description about that, and then you can add that section. And the same goes for other sections. So for example, if you want to create a section like mission, all you have to do is just click on generate and it is going to create that section for you. But you can obviously edit that if you do not like that one. So here is how it is going to work. When you want to create a section using the AI, all you have to do is just click on build with AI, and then a section like this is going to open. So now on the right side, you have to explain what kind of section you want to make it. So for example, I want the AI to write the mission section for our company. So I'm just going to send this. So just see how amazing it is. I provided only a few words and it has done exactly what I wanted, and it has also personalized the text. So obviously, if you remember, I provided Animate T as our brand name, and if you read this whole text, you will understand that it is super relevant to my brand, to my website that I was creating. So now let me go back to the top. So on top we have another section. So the red color, the background is red. This is another section. I can also regenerate this section, regenerate image with AI. I can also upload files if I want. As for this text, I can also regenerate it. I can regenerate with comments. I can edit this text, edit this description if I do not like. I also have all the text formatting options on top, and I can also hide this part of text. So now if I scroll down, I can do the same for this featured designs. For example, on this particular section, I want to add a button. So just click on this. So once someone clicks on that button, where that person is going to be redirected. So for example, if I want him to redirect to home or service or contact us, I can select them, or I can also add an external URL. So I have to provide the URL on this particular box. I can also change the button style. It could be fill or bordered. I can also change the button text. For example, it is going to be click here. I can also change the button color. So let me provide a URL on here. So for example, this is where I want the button to be redirected. So now I'm just going to save it. So now if I click on the button, it is going to take me exactly to the URL, exactly to the page that I selected earlier. And then as you can see, here are some images. So I can also regenerate this image. I can regenerate image with AI. So I think this image was collected from stock websites. So I'm just going to regenerate with AI. Let me see what I get. Okay, so I have to provide the description for the image. So this is going to be my description. Now let me see what I get from the AI. Okay, so the AI has came up with this image. I'm not sure if that is what I wanted, but I hope you have got the idea how this is going to work. So just like this one, you can edit any section, edit any page, add more items, add buttons, whatever you want. And for example, if you want to move one section on top of another, you can simply click on this. So if you click on this, it is going to be moved to top. Let me show you. Now before the feature design, this our services is coming. So this is how you can super easily organize your sections. Now there are some more options on top. So you can add page, you can add all these pages, and if you do not like these pre-made pages, you can also create a blank page in order to decorate that however you want. And then you can regenerate, I think regenerate the whole website if you do not like this one. Okay, so something I forgot to show you is that I only showed you this home page, but I didn't show you the other pages. So you might think that those pages are not really good, but that's not actually true. Those pages are also very complete. Let me show you. So let me go to the service page. So as you can see, here is our service page. So here is some description or text content. On the right side, you can see the image. And then here you can also see some description about our services, what makes us different from others. So here are some sections that are related to the service page. And then just like this, we also have contact us page. So here is the contact us page, and obviously it is fully customizable. You can customize this text. You can just click on edit and then edit this text. You can edit this contact as well as edit the phone number. You can also completely edit this form. And just like this one, we also have gallery. So here's the gallery page. So here are the images, different types of. We also have about us page. So here's the about us page, the anime journey, all of the different sections that are related to the about us page. And as you can see, you can even provide details about the founders of the company. So here is details for one founder, and then you can add another. And for example, if you have more founder, just click on this add item. And it is going to create the section for another founder or the item for the another founder where you can describe the other founder. So as you can see now, another item has been added. So now you can add details about 3 different founders. Obviously, you can change the image from here. You can upload the image or generate it with AI. You can also provide the name and the description for that founder. So now I'm back to the home page, and as I was showing you before, so you can add various pages. You can also regenerate this whole website if you do not like this one. You can change the theme. So for themes, there are various options. So first of all, you can change the modes. So it could be this mode or this one. Okay, I think this is the dark mode or the light mode. And then you can also change the brand color from here. You can change the font. So for font, you have 2 options, primary fonts. So here are all the primary font option as well as secondary fonts. You can also choose the font size, and then you can apply in order to apply this theme to your website. And if you want, you can even see the preview of your website. But now you might be wondering, what about the settings? How to customize the settings for SEO, how to customize the settings for connecting domain. So you can find them on the dashboard. So let me show you. Let me go back to the dashboard. And now on here, you have multiple options. So obviously I can once again go back to the AI editor. I can link my domain. I can add various settings, adjust various settings. So let me show you all the settings. So here are all the different settings you're going to get on Butternut, such as domain mapping. So you can link your domain. You can manage your subscribers. You can customize all the SEO settings. You can add your own custom data. You can create custom chatbot that is going to be trained on your website data. You can see various analytics such as page views and all of those essential analytics for your website, and you can also manage your subscription plan. So overall, I think Butternut AI is an excellent tool that lets you create website with the AI. All you have to do is just provide your brand name and the description about your brand, and the AI is going to create your website in some seconds. So for me, it took like 10 seconds, about 10 seconds in order to create my website. And this is going to be a complete website with all the necessary pages such as about us, our services, contact us, all of these important pages. And also there are going to be various sections according to different page. So on the home page, you're going to get all the relevant sections. On the contact us page, you're going to get all the relevant sections such as contact us, form, and all that. And if you do not like anything, you can simply regenerate it with AI. You can also make custom edit. You can also edit by yourself. You can upload your own data, upload images, upload some other files if you want. And there are also advanced settings in order to manage your subscribers, link your domain, or customize the SEO parameters. So if you want to buy Butternut AI on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And keep in mind, after 6 days, the pricing is going to increase. So currently it is available at only $59, but on October 7th, it is going to increase. So if you want to buy, make sure you hurry. And with this deal, you're going to get all these features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. There is also license tier 4.
So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.